Good afternoon to everyone. I just received this package from the Flipkart, which is Aim Emporium 0998 solid sleeping pillow. Means you need to just blow up the air in order to make this pillow. Means which is air pillow basically, which is of this color, and it is showing 249 rupees. And but when the time during the time of purchase, yes, this was 245 only. Yeah, let us now quickly unbox this and let us check how it is after air is blown into this air pillow. Aim Emporium 099 air solid sleeping pillow pack of 1 multicolor. So let me just tear this. Yeah, this is what the package includes, and you can check the width of this pillow. This is the laptop, which is 15.6 centimeters. So this would be probably, if I keep it like this, maybe like 23 24. I'll be checking in the description of the details. Maybe, yeah, 25 centimeters here. If you can see, 25 centimeters by 30. Okay, 20 by 30 or like 30 by 25, whatever it may be. Yeah, it is saying like sleeping pillow, suitable location bedroom, living room, and the user who has purchased this is for traveling, especially not for the home purpose. Let me take this out from this, and this is looking very strong. If you can see, I'll be just trying to fold this. Okay, see, very strong material, that I can say, as I am having hands-on experience. This feels like rubber sort of material. Okay, hard rubber, as it is mentioned. Solid sleeping pillow. Yes, it is looking solid. Yeah, let me just take this out. See here, this is the lock. Maybe means once you fill up the air here, you need to just insert this pin into this area, so that it gets sealed. There won't be any leakage of the air from this. So once you blow up this with the hand pump, or somehow, once you fill up the air with this, you need to just lock it with this. Let me just try to lock it this once. Yeah, just manually only. I didn't use any air pump or nothing like that. See here, just by keeping like this, I just blown up the air, and I sealed it also with this key provided. Yeah, see here, it has very good cushion. Okay, there is a step here. If you can see, when I move this my hand on this pillow, one side there are steps, and two sides also, and the color what I received is maybe slightly different color. Okay, the color is fine, not an issue for me. Yeah, and if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. So whenever you want to just remove the air, you can just simply take this out. Maybe, yeah, just press it like this until the air completely escapes from this pillow. Okay, this fabric looks like polyester sort of material. Okay, the outer or this one, the cloth, and yeah, it looks solid. You can see there will be no wrinkles. See here, if you can see, I'm just trying to fold this like this hardly, but yeah, see, yeah, the quality is good. At this price, the quality is good. Yeah, if you want review of this video, what you can do is ask in the comments in the down. If possible, I'll be attaching this product in the view products. You can check for the more details. And if you want review of this video, means of this product, you can ask in the comments, so that I'll be doing a review after using this pillow for at least 1 or 2 months. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.